In these videos, you will learn English by looking at real-life pictures. We describe what's happening in each image, using simple words and clear sentences. This helps you build useful vocabulary and understand natural English. You will also learn how to talk about everyday situations with confidence. Along the way, we include basic grammar tips and common sentence patterns. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and repeat. This way, you can practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English, step by step. After listening to the text, we would like to hear from you. How would you describe this picture in your own words? Share your ideas in the comments and practice writing in English. Let's get started.
In this picture, we see a family sitting together at a white table. There are 3 people in the image. A young girl, a woman, and a man are sitting close to each other. The girl is sitting on the left side of the picture. She has blonde hair and is wearing a white top with a blue dress over it. She is smiling and looking down at a wooden toy in front of her. Next to her, in the middle, is a woman with her hair tied up. She is wearing a red hoodie and also smiling. She is holding a wooden toy in her right hand. On the right side of the image, there is a man with glasses. He is wearing a grey sweater with black dots. He has no hair and is smiling while looking at the toys. The table is full of different wooden toys and puzzles. Some toys are round and some are made of blocks. There is a small abacus in the middle of the table. There are other wooden toys with balls, sticks, and wires. All 3 people are focused on the toys. The room is bright and has white walls behind them. In the background, we can see white furniture and picture frames. There is also a green plant in a light brown pot on a small table. The room looks neat and well lit. It looks like they are spending time together inside the house. They are sitting close and enjoying the activity. The family is using educational wooden toys to play and learn. This picture shows a moment of quiet and focused play. It is a calm scene of family time at home.